So straight from somebody who used to hire and train new nurses, these are my 6 new hire tips for nurses. Number 1, arrive early. Be on time, or at least like 15 minutes early to all your shifts and to meetings. It shows that you're like responsible and eager. Ask questions. No question is stupid. Always ask questions, even when you're on your own and off orientation. No one expects you to know everything, trust me. Bring your food. Have snacks and food available at all times so that you don't have to like waste time going to the break room constantly, going to the cafeteria constantly. And also coworkers love when you bring goodies. Just saying, peace offering, it's great PR. Also, get dirty. Like if you see nurses that are like, oh, I need to get a Foley, or oh, I need to get that patient off the bedpan, volunteer. Care for the patient and don't be afraid to get dirty. Again, like volunteer to put in a Foley, put in an IV, put in an NG tube. The only way to get skilled is to practice. And lastly, rush with caution. Learn that balance.